Hi everyone, welcome to Business on Autopilot YouTube series. दोस्तों, my name is Kewal Kishan and I'm starting a new YouTube series where I will be helping you solve your marketing challenges, sales, operation and customer support challenges all with AI powered applications. So today is the episode number 1 and today we will be covering one of the marketing challenges which you are facing every day in your business. Hi, friends. So, the first marketing challenge that we are going to solve today is you or your team are getting too many unqualified inquiries. How many of you face this challenge कि आप इंडिया मार्ट, ट्रेड इंडिया, वेबसाइट या मेटा पे एड रन कर रहे हो? आपको लीड्स तो आती हैं, बट ऑल द लीड्स दैट यू गिव टू योर टीममेट्स दे कंप्लेन कि सर इसमें से आधी लीड्स तो काम की नहीं होती. नाउ इमेजिन यू आर स्पेंडिंग लैक्स टू पेइंग योर टू योर एम्प्लॉइज और अगर उनका 60-70% टाइम अनक्वालिफाइड इंक्वायरीज पे वेस्ट हो रहा है, सो व्हेन विल दे गेट द टाइम टू टॉक टू द क्वालिफाइड इंक्वायरीज, कोटेशन, मीटिंग्स एंड टेकिंग फॉलो अप? Now, what if I tell you today I will be taking you through one such application which will help you create lead qualification chatbot. I'm talking about automate chats application जिसमें आप अपने बिजनेस के लिए व्हाट्सएप पे चैटबॉट्स बना सकते हो. और आज मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा कैसे आप लीड क्वालिफाई करने के लिए एक चैटबॉट बना सकते हो और ये चैटबॉट इंडिया मार्ट, ट्रेड इंडिया, मेटा इन सबसे इंटीग्रेट हो सकता है. इट मींस जैसे ही आपके पास लीड्स आती हैं ऑटोमेटिकली ये उनको ब्रोशर भेजता है पहले और उसके बाद उनसे कुछ क्वालिफाइंग क्वेश्चंस पूछता है और इवेंचुअली उन क्वालिफाई करके उनको आपकी टीम को एलोकेट कर देता है. तो इसके लिए वी विल गो टू automatechats.com. इन automatechats.com में अभी बहुत सारे फीचर्स हैं बट हम सबसे पहली चीज बात करेंगे ऑटोमेशन की. फॉर एग्जांपल इसमें आप अपने मैसेज टेम्पलेट बना सकते हैं, राइट? अपना एक व्हाट्सएप नंबर इसमें एक्टिवेट करा सकते हैं. यू कैन सेंड बल्क व्हाट्सएप कैंपेन, राइट? बट टुडे वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ डू यू क्वालिफाई योर लीड्स. So for that, we will use the automation feature of this application and we will click on chatbots. When you will click on chatbot here, you will be landing on this page and you will see that you can create a chatbot from blank, drag and drop. खुद आपको सब चीजें figure out करनी पड़ेंगी. Number 2, यहाँ पे you can use the pre-built WhatsApp chatbot templates. So tell me आपकी इंडस्ट्री क्या है? Are you an architect, branding expert, chartered accountant, construction, distributor company, e-commerce, edutech, financial services, manufacturing, healthcare? बेसिकली आपकी कोई भी इंडस्ट्री है, कोई भी बिजनेस है, हर इंडस्ट्री के चैटबॉट यहाँ पे बने बनाए आपको मिल जाते हैं. मेरा फेवरेट सेक्शन है थर्ड सेक्शन, क्रिएट अ व्हाट्सएप चैटबॉट विद एआई. Now, when you click on this, here you get the option to define what is your lead qualification flow. For example, if you are a furniture manufacturing business, right, you would want to know that whether this requirement is for office or the furniture is required for home or for any institutional project, right? अच्छा, उसके बाद you would want to know that is it, what's the square feet area, कितने टेबल्स चाहिए, कितने चेयर्स चाहिए, समथिंग अराउंड जहाँ पे आप लीड क्वालिफाई कर लो. यू गेट टू नो दैट सम द पर्सन इज सीरियस, how soon they want to make the purchase decision, is it 1 month or is it 1 year, right? And etc etc. And the person who is making the inquiry, is he or she an architect या फिर वो एक बिल्डर है या डायरेक्टली वो कंज्यूमर है. ऐसे ही अगर आप एक इंटीरियर डिजाइनर हो, आप एक मैन्युफैक्चरर हो, रियल एस्टेट में हो, तो आप जानना चाहते हो कि जिसको रियल एस्टेट में प्रॉपर्टी लेनी है, क्या वो रेंटिंग के लिए लेना चाहते हैं, बाय करना चाहते हैं, प्लॉट लेना चाहते हैं, फ्लैट लेना चाहते हैं, उनका कितना बजट है, कौन सी लोकेशन उन्हें सूट करती है. तो ये जो लीड क्वालिफिकेशन चैटबॉट है ना, ये लीड को क्वालिफाई भी करेगा और उनसे रिक्वायरमेंट भी ले लेगा, राइट? चलिए, आज मैं जो चैटबॉट बनाऊंगा, लेट मी क्रिएट अ चैटबॉट फॉर अ रियल एस्टेट कंपनी, ओके, इटसेल्फ. So let's say you see a lot of real estate agents, right? और उनको इंक्वायरीज आ जाती हैं 99 एकड़ से, बट जब वो कॉल करते हैं पता चलता है कि क्वालिफाइड नहीं है, राइट? बट व्हाट इफ ये चैटबॉट उनकी इंक्वायरीज को इंस्टेंटली कनेक्ट करे, उन्हें ब्रोशर भेजे और उसके बाद जब कस्टमर उस पर क्लिक करे तो इनसे क्वालिफाइंग क्वेश्चन पूछे. फॉर दैट व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल यूज दिस ऑप्शन कॉल्ड स्पीक. Create a lead qualification chatbot for a real estate company based in Pune. They are generating leads from 99 acres, meta ads, referral. They want to first of all qualify whether the person is interested in buying the real estate property, and then they want to collect some requirement as well. So, and then as soon as the lead is qualified, this lead should be assigned to the sales executive, and the client should get a link or an appointment to visit to that particular location. So when you speak, what is the requirement from this particular chatbot? Let's do it again. Let's do it again. So we'll click on create with AI. And in this particular option, we will be able to create a chatbot. For example, let's create a chatbot for real estate. Hi, create a chatbot for a real estate company based in Gurgaon, where this chatbot should qualify the lead. It should ask the budget, which kind of apartment the person needs, 3 BHK, 4 BHK, what locations are preferred by the customer. So create a WhatsApp lead qualification chatbot accordingly. So example, when you speak, this voice gets converted into text. You can edit this and then you can click on generate chatbot. As soon as you click on this, you're sipping a glass of water and this gets converted into a full-fledged WhatsApp chatbot. WhatsApp chatbot. You can see here that it begins with hello. If client says hello, and this chatbot can be triggered from lead coming from 99 acre or meta ads, because this platform automatebusiness.com, this gets integrated with all these platforms. Okay, and as soon as somebody sends hello, it says hi, welcome to Gurgaon Realty, let's help you find the perfect home. What is your budget? What kind of apartment are you looking for? What is your preferred location? And after all this data can directly be sent. This data can directly be sent to via integration to automate sales CRM, which is an AI powered CRM system. Just may you can create quotation as well, or you can send personalized email to the client after that with a summary, or you can even create a basic proposal, or this data can be fetched into Google Sheet as well, or even AI powered calling can be done to that client as well, right? So all this integration can happen. Now what I'll do, I will show you this chatbot live on how does it look like. Okay, and for that I will click here and we will create a keyword just पे ये chatbot trigger हो जाएगा. Okay, so for example, August 15. Okay, I need a home. Okay, for example, if somebody comes and says home, I need a home, apartment or something, अब मैंने इसके साथ कुछ और भी एक दो टेक्स्ट लिखा हुआ है so that हमारे और भी चैटबॉट्स बने हुए हैं उनसे वो conflict ना हो, right? And we will click on switching this chatbot. अभी मैंने यहाँ on कर दिया और ये live हो गया, ये live हो गया. Now what you can do, you can click on share and you can have this QR, you can add it on your website, you can share this text, and when people click on it, they will be landing onto your WhatsApp. So now let's come to the WhatsApp. Now here, this WhatsApp number, Automate Business. Now, once you use the platform, it will be your company's name, your logo, right? And let's say client reach out and client say that I need a home, right? For example, client say I need a home. I need a home. I will just give me a minute. I think my chat is already active in Automate chats. So I will first of all close this chat so that a fresh chatbot can be triggered. So let's come back. Let's say client comes from your website. You're wondering how will client come from the website? Now this is our website, automatebusiness.com. And here on the right side, you can see let's chat, right? People come from website as well. And even you can integrate this Automate Chats platform with other applications like Meta, IndiaMart, 99 Acres. So let's say when you generate the lead, it will automatically send the message like a brochure or something. And along with that, a quick reply button can be there, which could be like, I need a home, or I want to talk to sales team or sales inquiry. As soon as client will click on it, It will become a reply from client side. और जैसे क्लाइंट की तरफ से वो मैसेज आता है, चैटबॉट ऑटोमेटिकली ट्रिगर हो जाता है. And here you can see it says, Namaste Kewal Kishanji, welcome to Gurgaon Realtor. I am Gaurav, your home specialist. We deal in premium apartments. And to help you find the best apartment, tell us whether you want it for investment purpose or self use purpose. Right? Self use. Now, this is one chatbot. The one which I created, it had a different keyword. It was this: I need a home August 15. I will just copy this and I will close my existing chat which is going on, and let us try the ones which we have just created. The one which I showed you, it was a little old one. अभी fresh जो बना है वो एक बार देखते हैं. Yeah, it says welcome. Tell us what's your budget. So let's say 1 crore. 1 crore में कुछ आएगा नहीं वैसे गुड़गांव में. Okay, budget in numbers. Okay, 100. Again, all of this can be customized. Okay, which kind of apartment are you looking for? 3 BHK, 4 BHK, other. Now, this message, along with the text, it can have image as well. It can have any kind of video also attached with it. That's the beauty of it. So, example, if I go back to automate chats in chatbot, here we can see this is the chatbot which we just created, right? If I open it, this is the question now, it is asking, right? Which type of apartment? If you click on it, right here in this, if you want to add any kind of image or something, you can do that as well. You can kind of make it beautiful, right? You can add some customization in this. So let's see it in action. Let's say we want to buy the 3 BHK apartment. Which location you want to prefer? So example, I want to prefer sector 67 in Gurgaon. Now imagine if a sales team is getting the client's name, number, and then what is their preferred location, what is their budget, and forget about your team. AI itself, chatbot itself can recommend the projects. It can tell कि अभी इस location पे ये apartments इनका ये pricing है. When can we schedule your visit, right? In fact, I'll show you another chatbot here. I need a home. The previous one which I had created through this, I'll show you on how it works. It has even a voice chat option. All right, have a look. Let's say if I click on I and this and I say I need a home, it will welcome and it will ask me, okay, what is the requirement? Are you looking for investment or are you looking for self use? So let's say if as a client, your client replies with a voice note, hi, I'm looking for self use purpose. So this voice will be converted into text and chatbot will reply using a voice note itself. So through such WhatsApp chatbots, you first of all reach out to the client instantly. Oh, I forgot to share the screen. You can see here right now, I need a home, and in here I shared a voice note. Hi, I'm looking for self-use purpose.
Namaste, Kewal. That's a great choice. Buying a home for self-use is a special journey. Could you please let me know which specific area in Gurgaon you prefer? For example, are you looking around Golf Course Road, Dwarka Expressway, or perhaps near the metro?
I'm looking for an apartment near metro. So now this voice will get converted into text and it will go to AI chatbot. AI chatbot will create its own response and reply in the voice note itself. If I would have been speaking in Hindi with this chatbot, it will reply in Hindi. If I talk in Punjabi, it will talk in Punjabi as well. So that is the beauty of it.
That's a convenient choice. Living near the metro makes commuting so much easier. Now, could you tell me a bit about your family size? This will help me understand if you need a 3 BHK, 4 BHK, or something else.
Right? Now, this is how you solve this first problem. If you're getting too many unqualified leads, it's time for you to create a lead Qualification chatbot. And for you to do that, you can visit automatebusiness.com. That's where you will see a product automate chats. And it's very easy for you to create a chatbot using automate chats application. For that, what you can do, steps are, it's very simple. First of all, you need a contact number which will get as an activated as a WhatsApp API. Then you go to automate chats, you click here, you create a WhatsApp chatbot, and this gets integrated with your Google Sheets, it gets integrated with your CRM, and the qualified leads gets assigned to your team.